Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome. Today, we're diving into the secrets of truly delicious fried rice. The foundation of great fried rice starts with preparation. Always use day-old, cold rice. This prevents it from becoming mushy and ensures each grain is distinct. Having all your ingredients chopped and measured beforehand is crucial for a smooth cooking process. And remember, a very hot wok or large skillet is your best friend for achieving that authentic, slightly smoky flavor and perfect texture. Now let's build our flavor base. Begin by sautéing finely minced aromatics like garlic, ginger, and onions in a tablespoon of oil until they are wonderfully fragrant, which usually takes about 30 seconds. Next, push these to one side and add your chosen protein, perhaps 4 ounces of shrimp or chicken, cooking it until it's almost done. Finally, incorporate about 1/2 cup of quick-cooking vegetables, such as peas and carrots, stirring them for just about 1 minute to keep them vibrant and slightly crisp. This is where the magic happens for texture. Introduce about 3 cups of your cold, day-old rice into the very hot pan, using your spatula to break up any clumps. Immediately pour over your simple sauce mixture, typically 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of sugar. Now, stir-fry vigorously for 2 to 3 minutes. The goal is to ensure every single grain of rice is coated with the sauce and thoroughly heated, developing a slightly toasted exterior. For the final touch, push the rice to one side, create a well, and scramble 1 or 2 eggs directly in the pan until just set. Then, quickly mix the cooked egg into the rice. To elevate the aroma and flavor, garnish generously with about 1/4 cup of freshly chopped green onions and a dash of white pepper. Serve your delicious fried rice immediately, either as a satisfying main course or a fantastic side dish. Enjoy every flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.